Hello, I'm going to talk about upgrading paper pulp into cellulose and polymeric hemicellulose. Paper-grade pulp contains two types of sugars. Cellulose is long, organized polymer that contains crystalline and amorphous regions. Hemicelluloses are short, branched, and hydrophilic by nature. Fractionation of these sugars is typically done by pre-hydrolyzed Kraft process or cold caustic extraction. And why we want to separate these sugars is that we can make textile fibers, plastics, and other high-value products out of pure cellulose. But these fractionation processes suffer from yield losses and polymer degradation. To overcome these problems, we present the IONCELL-P process. IONCELL selectively dissolves the hemicelluloses with an ionic liquid water system. To understand the process better, I will give a short introduction to ionic liquids. Ionic liquids are salts, but unlike regular table salt, they have a very low melting point. So, in practice, they are liquids that contain only ions. They also have very low vapor pressure, so there are no vapor emissions, making the chemical recycling relatively easy. And this makes the environment and environmentalists very happy. The IONCELL-P is a simple process. We treat pulp, ionic liquid, and water in 60 degrees for 3 hours. The cellulose fraction remains intact when we filtrate out the dissolved hemicelluloses. Then water is added, which precipitates the hemicelluloses. Then excess water is evaporated and the ionic liquid and the water are recycled back to the process. So, to summarize all the good things that come with this brilliant process, there are no yield losses, no polymer degradation, nor is there vapor emissions, which makes the environment happy when compared to other kind of solvent processes. And we can get the high-value products and possibly a hemicellulose side product. And all this green makes the industry people happy too. Thank you for your attention, and if there are any questions, please contact annarekka.roselli@aalto.fi.